in the topic Geometric Construction Practice Set 4.1. Today we'll see how to solve question number 2, how to construct. Triangle PQR similar to triangle LTR is given. Measurements of triangle PQR are given. PQ 4.2 cm, QR 5.4 cm and PR is 4.8 cm. So here we have the measurements of triangle PQR. This can be constructed. Okay. Further, it is given, ratio is given, PQ upon LT is 3/4. So from this ratio we can see, now these two triangles are similar and the ratio is 3/4. So from here PQ corresponds to 3 and LT corresponds to 4. Ratio is 3/4. So definitely this triangle LTR is a bigger triangle. Okay. So first we'll draw the rough figure. Let us see the rough figure for this. So here we have triangle PQR. Now this is triangle PQR, and now point to be noted, between these two PQR and LTR, R is a common point. We are going to mark R here. Okay. So this is now triangle is P. You can mark here Q. PQR is the triangle where PQ, well, this is 4.2 centimeter and we have RQ 5.4 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. So this triangle can be constructed. Okay. But now PQR is similar to LTR, and now see the other triangle will be outside this because the ratio is PQ upon LT is 3/4. So this is PQ, LT will come outside. So just extend this. This is a rough figure, students. So okay, so this triangle is PQR and now L will come here, LTR, and this is PQR. So first we'll construct this triangle PQR, then we'll go for constructing LTR. Yes, you all can do the rough figure. Now let's start with the actual construction. Okay, so first we are going to construct triangle PQR where RQ is 5.4. So students, you can see now RQ 5.4 centimeter. We have drawn here RQ. This is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, you can do this. Now 4.8 and this is 4.2. So you will take distance of 4.8 and from this point R you cut an arc. Okay, 4.8 centimeter. So here we have taken 4.8 centimeter. From this point R we will cut an arc of 4.8. You can see that. And now okay, and then it is 4.2. So we will take 4.2 now, and from this point Q, arc of 4.2. Just draw the proper arc. Okay, so from here 4.8 and from here 4.2. Join this. Okay students, so this is triangle. We have got triangle PQR. Okay, you can construct this triangle PQR. Now to construct triangle LTR, okay, what we do, from this point R, you can draw an acute angle. You are going to draw an acute angle. Okay, you are going to draw an acute angle here from point R. You can draw an acute angle, any measurement you can draw. And after this, from this point R, now you can see students here, this is now see the ratio PQ upon LT 3 upon 4. The ratio is 3:4 and the 4 is bigger. So we'll divide this, we'll take 4. So divide, you're going to cut arc here. 4 equal parts you can divide. Take distance now, take suitable distance, maybe 1 centimeter around or maybe more than that. And now from here you can see you're going to cut 4 arcs here. 1, and from this point 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay, out of these two, whichever is bigger, draw that many arcs, and you can name this as, this is point R, so this is R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, you're going to mark R1, R2, R3 and R4. So students, now triangle is PQ ratio is 3. PQ ratio, you can see PQ ratio is 3. So this third part, okay, third R, okay, you can join here with this Q. See, we have drawn this third arc with this Q now. Okay, you can do it. Okay, so we have constructed triangle PQR. PQR is constructed. Now we have to get LTR, which will come outside this, So you need to extend this. You have to extend this. Okay, extend this line, and even this line you have to extend. Okay, you extend this and extend this line. Now see how we do this. This method is similar to how we did tangent without using center. Now see how we start with this. First, keep this rounder on this third part, R3. Keep it on R3 and take distance maybe just, okay, beyond that R2. Take the distance and you cut this arc. Okay, complete this arc, cut this arc. Okay, you can joining these 2 points, you cut an arc here. Now don't change the distance, and with the same distance keep it on R4. Okay, I repeat, keep it on R4 here now, and draw arc from here also. You can see that, student, you can draw from here also. I repeat once again, first you keep it on R3, see here R3, from here you draw the arc. Okay, and again keep it on R4 and draw the arc. Now we'll take this distance, students. See how we do this. You can take this distance. Okay, the arc which you have drawn, take that distance. Okay, and now with that distance, see on this ray, where is this point? Can you see this point? Okay, from this point, keep it rounder here and cut that previous arc. Okay, students, and from R4 join with this. Join R4 with this, so you are going to get a parallel line. See, this line is parallel. Now this point we are going to mark it as point T. This is point T now. So this is parallel, okay, to this. This is point T. You can do this. Now how we draw parallel line here? In the same way, from this point T also we have to draw a parallel line here. Okay, from this point T also we need to draw a parallel line. Okay, you can even draw with the set square also, or we can follow the same steps. See how we do it. Keep the rounder on point Q now, and you cut an arc. Okay, see, this way you cut an arc. From this point Q you cut an arc. You can do it. And now keep the same, with the same distance, keep it on point T. Keep it on point T. Okay, point T, and with this cut an arc here also. Okay, students, you can see that first from point Q and then from point T with the same distance. Now take this distance. You can see, student, take this distance. Can you see that? Take this distance. This distance you take. Okay, take this distance, and now keep it on this point. Okay, and cut this arc once again, and with this point join point T now. Okay, and you can name, now this is point L. The students, you can see that you got triangle LTR, and this is triangle PQR. Both are similar triangle. Okay, do this construction.